Found these carnations in the clearance area. They are 50% off or 3 bunches for $15. We totally fell in love with it and went for the 3 bunches. This is such a great antique pink color that we had to grab it. It's so gorgeous. Start by unpacking your flowers. There will be this small pack of flower food that will come with your bunches. Use them to help your flowers last longer. Now for the carnations, to prep them for designing, you can start gently pulling the greenery that are sticking out on its stem. Side tip: as you start working on the flowers, keep the paper wrap that it came with as a catch-all mat to save time cleaning bits and pieces later on. As you're pulling the leaves, apply pressure to the stem that you're holding onto. This will avoid breaking the stem as you pull the leaves off. Remember, we got them from the clearance section, which means they have been sitting out there for a little while. You should expect it to have some browning or wilted petals, but you can easily and gently pull those wilted petals out and make it look pristine again. Similar concept to the rose, you can also massage the center part of the bloom to open it up and reveal more of its beauty. Enjoy, lovelies! Until next time, let us know in the comments section below what you'd like us to create for you next. Cheers!